Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Avalanche daily update. Is this the time that we are going to correct right now? Where are we going in the short term? And of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. What you will get is an automated system with 200 altcoins to buy and sell. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, and many more benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into the TA and here on the Avalanche against Bitcoin chart right now that you can see we have almost a double top pattern right there, and we are going to see if we are eventually going to fall down, okay, because we had a little bit of a high risk. You can see the RSI is leaned towards actually the 70, okay. So from there and above, we have an extreme overbought situation, okay? So the commodity channel index is in an overbought situation right here. Same with the stochastic RSI and same for the Fisher transform right now that it is above the red dotted line, okay, the 1.5 for Fisher transform. Now we have a very huge risk right there, and eventually we are going to see some important support levels in which we might be finding out over the next few days, and we might be going into the 0.236. From there, if we have a bounce back, it is very important to know that we can go even higher into the next targets for Avalanche against Bitcoin chart. So if you see a bounce back here and buying pressure, it is very important to know that we might be having this buying pressure in the swing high towards the next target. This could lead Avalanche even higher than the previous all-time high we had, okay? But now, for the time being, for the short term, we are just looking at the support levels and the price action. We have one more support level around there for the short term. For the midterm, we might be going a little bit further down, meeting the 20-day MA. We will see about that though. Pay attention to these targets for Avalanche against Bitcoin chart. 0.20s, 22,835 and 0.20s, 21,579. We are going now to Avalanche against USDT, and we are going to stay here a little bit more. Yesterday I told you if we close above the 115, probably we are going even higher. You can see that we closed at around 115.86, okay, around here. And of course, this wasn't the reason that we closed above. We closed above for some cents, but you know, there is always that risk that we can go a little bit higher and then get rejected. So we got rejected in the median line right here. And now we are looking forward to see, can we go towards the 106 again? Where are we going? Because Avalanche, it is very likely to correct against Bitcoin right now. If we find buying pressure on the 106, it will be very good, especially on the 110. But we are going to remove the pitchfork right now. We are going to draw a simple Fibonacci retracement from this bottom back on 13 December to the top we had on 18 December. We are on the daily frame, so each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. You will see that 107 is a very strong support level. I would include the 106 as well we saw with a pitchfork, okay? But as you can see, the support levels tend to get higher with the pitchfork as well. Okay, so it matters most where are we going to the 107, and of course if we are going to close below the 107, in which we might be finding the 20-day EMA. So if we keep going down, the 20-day EMA will go upwards because it is lagging from the price action. Okay, the price action comes first and then the EMAs come second. So it will go a little bit upwards, but at the same time it will go down, and probably it might meet it on the 101, maybe around there. But now we are going to see if we can find a huge buying pressure on the 107 to 106 USD. These are the lines that you should focus on the short term now that we got rejected from the median of the pitchfork. Okay, we closed above for some cents, but this is just a valid mistake. Okay, some cents do not play such an important role right there. Okay, for this for the median line for pitchfork. So right there we found rejection, and now we are getting a little bit further down. Are we bearish right now for Avalanche? Not at all, right? We just have to see where we are going to find the next support level. We might be finding one support level on the 20-day MA near, and then we have another buying pressure, and then we go even higher. Okay, do not worry about that. I'm just saying right now we have on the short term to see how can we go, how far can we go. On the 4-hour frame, you can see on the short term the targets are the same. On the 4-hour frame though, we have the 20-day MA as well as support level, so we might be finding on the 108.6 around there a little bit of a buying pressure. Okay, and then we go down to the next support levels around there. All right, so therefore Bitcoin right now is still not bullish. However, we have to see if the 3 drives pattern will play out for Bitcoin. Okay, and then we have a major swing high from this bottom that we are in right now, or a little bit further down like that bottom, and then we get even higher. We will see how the next week will happen on Monday, and this will help, of course, Avalanche. If Bitcoin seems healthy, will help Avalanche and other altcoins to keep going upwards. Okay, now we are a little bit dependent on the Bitcoin's price action. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Of course, you will get easy profits and many more benefits. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.